My name is Lara Assouad, graphic designer and an Arabic type designer. I'm interested in Arabic typography from a non-calligraphic historical point of view and rather from a playful perspective. Over the past years, I've given many workshops on the principle of modular Arabic typography, trying to teach the idea of rhythm, repetition, and proportion, which are very serious things, and they're the basics, the foundations of typography. But introducing that in a more fun manner, and trying to sort of strip all these shackles, if you want, from typography, from Arabic writing, and just make it more part of our contemporary scene, of the world that surrounds us. Of course, there's Arabic typography. I'm not saying it doesn't exist, and I work in that field. But I found the principle of modularity and teaching repetition and rhythm and harmony and proportion through modules is actually brings it really much closer to the point. This could be part of a module, you know, just a piece of a chopped off branch of a tree could be a module, and then you sort of build the whole world around that, you know. This could be a module, a twig could be a module, and then you start composing a whole alphabet. You can make it out of knitted wool, you could make it out of, you know, your hand stamped on, and you know, I've discovered that people were very much willing to play with this and produce some really fascinating results. It initially started as a project for children, but I realized that actually designers, grown-ups, can actually benefit a lot from this, because it takes it away from looking at curves and fine-tuning little details of shapes, and gets you out of it and lets you see the bigger picture. Oh, so this letter and this letter and this letter have this shape in common, they have a circle in common, or an oval. Or in the last edition of this workshop, we did the first part, which was all manual. So they had all posters, full alphabet, detached alphabet made by hand. And then the next part was all digital. So they started digitizing their concepts and continuing the whole principle, applying the principle of modularity on all the contextual variants and turning it into a proper typeface, which is what I would like to continue during Dubai Design Week, hopefully coming with an idea, a concept of, I want to make an alphabet made out of bricks, or I don't know, torn pieces of paper, or anything, spaghetti, and but yeah, no, spaghetti is a little bit tricky, and let's see where that goes. So yeah.